prophet Ben or Ghana Hanma one family nasi. Inti afena me baby perfume.
No way.
Baby I made do no to the glory of God. Nyami eshirame. Me yes can flow. Intermediate this year no. Me planning say this year no. I'm telling you, name pion ma. I'm not going to pray to stop it. Hey. So prophecy aba say on my penny ebewu. Money be ni wo.
And finally, Prophet Dr. Isaac Owusu Bempah abedin komo. Efa enkom sha ya na eba eye wuo ni ade to renchem ni ala na Ghana forecast ade ntina bibi se esia. Omo mpa ye entia. Ono ankasa abekasa utenzo ono no de. Masa se enkom sha be na fa ewuo ni accident no omo mpa ye ntwamo dabi onye bi kurada. So obo mpa ye se urade enkom sha we de efa wuo ho urade sia no dabi oso onye bi da. Ono ankasa abetire ni nsemu Penyah block media meswa say any dem obe like video no that mo subscribe button so na be click notification icon for latest update na be kire wa bion dia mame e wo comment section metro so baso no wa ship no for so enya bi ahye e to be 2016 ye ko election ni mo no ene hu say Prophet Isaac Owusu Bempah e ko PM Good Evening Ghana show so with Paul Adomachire e ho no ene ne ogoke kansem bi anya say na eni nyina fa 2016 apato na ye ko to na e ho no ko yitum kura say Ghana for your mistake. Se Ghana fo nim no ya fo yeye ne ekotuma Mahama e ma ne betena kunyam so bi ma ene no me pa e sign kwanhia no ato wenchema e be sori o man we so ye ntimi gina no obi ntimi tino man nimo.
First about election. He's the same yesterday, today and forever. To so Nyankopon use old prophets e mo prophesy afa government ho a. Na so read 1 Corinthians chapter 12 verse 28. No nyameka se ma frebi ama government ha. Not as a source of Romacasano, they don't know their scriptures. Omoko read the Bible ye. Onyamine sing, onyamine tuhine. Onyankopon kasa, efa o mebia ho. Onyankopon ni wo mebia akonya ho. Obi bio betina o mebia akonya so onyamine nim hu bi. So befa kwamboni suo so be wiemo so be den onyamine nim hu bi. But judgment ni duru hono ma. God will judge you.
Very powerful and animated statements from you, Bishop. But let's come back and pick it. Somebody's face in the clouds shedding tears. And that's part of the reason why President Mahama may have spiritual difficulties, according to you. The person who is in the clouds, is he a Ghanaian?
Ghanaian. Or a Ghanaian.
Is he alive?
No.
He's dead?
Yes.
When people die, do they stay in the clouds and shed tears?
There were tokens and symbols. The American is symbolic and it's true. Now, me person be a challenge me. Me kasa me nkwa na me a man of God. But I'm telling you, Papa, can you believe, sir? God is my witness. Between 4 and 5, mintiminda.
4 a.m. and 5 a.m.
Yes. Mitimi su ema Ghana.
Why?
God is my witness.
Why?
I'm in pain because onyankopon e wo pain mu ema Ghana for.
Because of what? Who has done what?
Papa, I'm telling you, sir. BBS woman we say mu. I'm surprised. Send me pet me yes idea.
Is it murder? Is it what is it?
Onyankopon bu afu. Enunti onyankopon bu fu so. Onyame bu afu na media me kasa so onyame prophet. Obi apon didi matem I don't mind. Because mu didi matem me found because Jesus Christ we didi natem. Se Ghana fu nim no mu san ma John Mama be president bi ma enyema be sisi Ghana no obi antimi ntena Ghana. Mo pa mo dating to.
Well, these are strong words that you shouldn't be able to say.
Oh, but onyame semenka. So I have to say it.
Platform like that. Because we're going into an election.
Papa,
you are one man of God out of 300 men of God. Mr. Mahama is a Christian.
Papa,
the president has been in churches. So to arrogate to yourself the right to tell us that God says don't elect President Mahama. You can talk about who the prophecy says will win, but now you are telling Ghanaians and even threatening Ghanaians not to elect President Mahama. That's partisan.
The reason I make us say, Onyankopon ebufui Josaphat, because Onyankopon so rejected Ahab and then a wife Jezebel, because emoja woman saho, woman left ya bosomsom. Timer.
Are you likening that to something President Mahama has done?
Mekaba. Timer. Ahab Onyankopon decided so be kumuno. A Josaphat cause wako help no. Ko nyame kum Josaphat. Obi a nyame reject no yen help no ye moa no.
In 2012, Did you prophesy that President Mahama would win?
2012, me kase na Nana be win, but yam famano. Ebe court, but yam famano, and it came to pass.
Say that again. Nanado will win.
Nanado will win, but Omon famano ebe kopie court and AC.
So you said God knows about people becoming presidents, whether good way or bad way. So God anointed President Mahama to lead 2012.
Enyo nyame na anointed no. Eni patimi di omo ho. Oman kasa self. Yeah. Senka David tena ho. Ena nka wanye serious. Anka Absalom ebe yi David efiri na konya so. Now, Ahithophel, Emma Absalom advice. Powerful advice. Accurate. Emma David who say go in Ahithophel. One shampabwa to Mirika Echo Mountain top ko bomb pese rade bremubi na baby adrunedin. Because Ahithophel advice no dear mama ba Absalom no me kingdom na baby ye. Erade me your favorite bremubi eno onyame ba mubi. Ento Nyankopon koso Ahithophel ne advice anka beboa Absalom na kwatimi defeat David ayi na fina konya so no onyame ma sa advice ne yankwase asem ewo Absalom asum emo kotie nkwala asem emo onyame yusu sa e de save David enti papa me ka no kra kire Ghana fo se enyo bia no onyame de ne tena konya so nipa bitimi de o man kasa self etimi de tena konya nyame mfa mo so.
In 2008, did God anoint Professor Mills to win?
Me kai se Eradi bie mani the 31st all night. And I mean who say Nana Dukuta key. Obi a dono, the mu yansan crophobia distracting attention. The mu yansa present at Tamils every nechia ko radanum and a mutoye. Meka saban ya beto no more than once. And a copy time. As for that, onyame penim.
So
Enuntina.
So Akufo-Addo has been around this thing for 2 election cycles. 2008 and 2012.
Enuntina niema bi ohono mo a na o se papa no. Asofo bi time boa no. Ah, God being so good. Krofo bi guatwea. Ghana fo ani abre. Na MPP fo mo mpaye. Me mpese MPP fo beka se o ma win election na wi o. Nyame dia ma omo, but they have to do something.
It hasn't been done. I thought you said it's been done.
Nyame dia ma omo spiritually.
No, you said you had done. He said we have done something.
No.
You and
I'm talking about Nanado. But we make a suffer party.
That's parliamentary elections, that what you mean?
Dear me person me trying say. Ma MPP for ntenase nka say ya win election no. Omo mo mani na ho. Na ma me Charlotte say no. Ne niam bi a wo ye na omo mpe no. Omo nka. Na ade no enye straightforward. Ombi omo so be gentle. Papa. O amon hwe obi de 6 bed down on 9.
So John Mahama could still be elected in December. That's the point you're making.
DNT America say President John Mahama won't me win no.
Why?
Abano election we no nyame sunsum na esi awie. But DNT ahonam make no onyankopon kasa kire Israel for say. Mo ne Benjamin for ntokwa na mo kɔ no mo bedi nkunim nkɔ. Omo kɔ omo ani nkunim ye defeat Israel for. Ekum Israel for nipa 22,000. Eso onyame de ka kire Israel for so omo nkɔ bedi nkunim. Second time, onyame se mo nkɔ di nkunim awie. Omo kɔ ya. Benjamin for defeat Israel for kum nipa 18,000. Third one, onyankopon se mo nkɔ di nkunim. Ena omo hu se no, da bia nyame se nkɔ ne aboye. Da bia nyame se nkɔ ne adinku go. This time we have to do something. Ena omo ye niema. I'm talking about niema.
Rituals.
Any sacrifices, peace offering, any burnt offering.
Before they go.
And son omo kɔ. Omo kɔ ye no. Omo wini e defeat Benjamin for kum nipa 42,000. Emma Benjamin.
Let me take you on more specific. So December 7th, is it 1 round or 2 rounds?
Say 1 round or say 2 round and na do be wini. Sa election we no ho. Papa ya to aba na wi. But the entire me can say no. Me person MPP for no e betra say relax. Because papa ye free bibi kronfo. Why you careful a kronfo betimi abawfi abewia wa de so ani na ho a. Obi on ma ye wo no no. Opie free ya funumu no.
All that you are saying, Bishop, is that God has spoken, something has to be done, but if something is not done, President Mahama could still win.
Ghanaians President Mahama, you want me to win.
But if Akufo-Addo doesn't win, Mahama will win.
Oh, Papa, I'm telling you, sir. Yewa hunemu makasunsu masem. Enunti na beginning midi kan say.
Who's in the clouds crying? Who's that?
Mekachro.
When?
Minu mienu sia mekachro.
Who has been?
Yeah,
who has been chained? You said somebody's been chained.
I know, so I'll tell you.
Is that person alive or dead?
Oh, he's alive.
The one who has been chained?
Oh, and then Ghana had
He's an evildoer?
No. Wakamo jebi ay dibi magu amonyame buafu.
And he's been chained.
Obi boaw edu jina baby papa ye hwie ne moja ngu and taking a position. I'm telling you. I know what I'm saying.
I don't understand what you're saying. But
no, maybe I will explain it, but not now. I'm in pain.
Like the one in the clouds?
I'm in pain, yeah.
Are you a member of the MPP?
Me a Ghanaian.
Are you a member of the MPP?
I'm a Ghanaian.
But are you a member of the MPP?
I'm not a member, but I'm a Ghanaian.
Are you a sympathizer of the MPP?
I'm a preacher.
Have you voted before?
Yes.
When?
Oh, Nina.
Did you vote for President Kufuor in 2004?
Sure.
Did you vote for President Kufuor in 2000?
Because when you make a such name, President Kufuor ne be president.
Did you vote for Nana Kufuor in 2008?
Sure.
You are an MPP voter.
My vote for my NDC da.
Which year?
Time now, ya Papa Rawlings. I'm saying no ne. I think say President Kufuor so be
1996 would have been that year.
Because Rade kasa kyerɛ me. Emma me kasa mpanifo bi kura fa me de me kɔ aboko bi. Emi akɔ bompa ma NDC. Me nya MPP man na me nya NDC. So nyame kasa kyerɛ me say next 4 years. Ma me agye Rawlings na beba. Me professor na me vote ama me. Because entimi nkɔba sɛ onyame bɛka sa kyerɛ Samuel say ma reject Saul. Enti choose David. Now still, Samuel Betwaba, I'm a soul.
Have you met President Mahama before?
Many na shiada, but many in transition in Komo. Many shia Christian love, no lunch. So I'm not a vice president.
Do you for some reason dislike President Mahama?
No.
Do you like him?
Me penasem pa.
Why?
But me penasem.
Why?
But me din ho yaw.
What has he done wrong?
Why are they be me pe? As a man of God, as a prophet of God, nyame really kyerɛ me no, me sui. I'm in pain.
Did you go to him as president of Ghana and said, like Nathan did with David in the
Bible?
Bible?
Nyame kan kyerɛ me nkɔ no nka mɛkɔ. Nyame ka kyerɛ me nkɔ no mɛkɔ kɔka kyerɛ no. Papa hu me saa no. Me bu ade ba me nsuro bia. Ka no kɔ pa. Ka mɛkɔ straight. Yeah.
What is TB Joshua doing here?
Oh, the aba be no de a waste of time.
Who invited him? Who invited him here?
They know themselves.
Is it NDC people?
You sure?
To pray for them? Is he to pray for them to counter Owusu Bempah?
TB Joshua Osha, spiritual Osha. And you standard name, spiritual.
That's an arrogant statement.
No, it's true. Because power kutameno, Jesus diamameno, onibi. Opa omi enfesi.
Professor Mills traveled to Nigeria to see TB Joshua.
Oh,
and he was told that the election will run 3 times. And that he will be elected president.
TB Joshua. Now TB Joshua, they said,
he copies you.
I can't say that.
But he's a bigger sort of
Ghana Hanum, as well for bigger than TB Joshua.
Really?
Oh, yes, baby. It's Tudana Ba, Dakiwa Mills, Dr. Manson Tabel, Archbishop Duncan Williams. And yet TB Joshua yon kono. Ye pa software. Omuye nyamia software TB Joshua kan.
If the NDC were to come to you and say, can you salvage the situation? Help us to win the election. I
can't.
Why?
Because Samuel ain't me help us Saul anymore. Because time as Samuel yes or bebo Saul no. Onyame bufu no. Was it the bang and I'll be dissolved akusi. The ben I'll be bompa my soul akusi. Mesima reject no. Why you're careful? I'll kill you. Go and anoint the son of Jesse, David, as a king.
let's talk about controversial issues, and our Facebook page is bustling so much.
Thank you.
Has the MPP paid you money? Have you received money from
By the
MPP?
grace of God, MPP me here musika. I'm blessed. I'm not bragging.
You are rich.
Yes, by the grace of God. Very. But
So
your body is swap.
In your encounter with the MPP, recent encounter with the MPP, they've not paid you money.
MPP, I don't believe that. Even MPP will never do that. The MPP that I know, they will never bribe. I'm telling you.
There's been some prophecies also from notable Pentecost church, all of that, that John Mahama will win the election.
Charlotte say, we're Christian, onti asma meka no. So nim, no you're not going to say, or best side one political party.
She's already said that she can't do that. She sat in your chair in the studio and said that it's not possible for her to do that.
Any onka, no nye, dear wakano, only super pepe. Because, media, me penasem. Because I know that she's a Christian. After all, me no penny be she a abon hon komo. I'm a penny no catch him say me can pie boom. To me bomb pie mama me pa but unim. Enunti e hame se musuo bi baba na so. Na me pekwan na me na hia. To me imagine say me call penny no catch and say, Papa, I want to meet your daughter. Na me nkasa. Me nim say me catch and so obeka say no problem.
So you meet the electoral commission.
Me pese me meet no. Na me ka asem bi kire no. No no ati asem ni wi a obehu say we share man of God. Our good days ahead of her. But nkrofo bi pese o ha no. Na ne life e free nsa. Because this coming election, Papa, onyankopon angels kuta sword. Muvura Ghana ha no. I'm praying saying yami baby wani. Yes, me huna Ghana fo. Obi abetime didi matem. I don't mind. See as me a controversial prophet of doom. I don't mind. Media meka di onyame se menka. Yes say me ya politics. Me ya politics say. Me ya politics. That is my calling. Because free brain nyame frɛ me. Obi no no obetra Ghana konyo so awurade anka nkyere me. Nyame fa me so hye nkoma ansa na si. Enema bie ni hon nyame na me so ahye ho nkoma Ghana ha no me nsiye. Enti no obi ka say me a controversial.
What did the police CID ask you?
Oh, nyame Papa IGP ene ne nkrofo. My respect Ghana police too much.
Okay na be hu e ma ibi kwa na pardon what require ka say there be o asma kan that say news so but una ga so sare nyame aka. Ezi nyame aka no e na waka. E mo 2025 we no. Mahama esa ba ye no. Sare na Owusu Bempah kana nema e koso o ma we mu ne de anu odene. Accident edi baby. Just say nim honhom abetena Ghana so 2025 we. Ye nim honhom kra e really Ghana so sisi ye ti ase. It was how accident me see one day nipa 30 off omunyina ewu. Just say odwene Ghana ho de sisi a won ti ase. Odwene ho a won ti ase. Entra mama fo e bi da question say na ene Ghana so fo ekura Owusu Bempah. Senka muhu na nyame so yi kyerɛ na ko si ano kwai ne muhu a anka mo mpa ye stop no na mo hwɛ ema ni si ne si wi amuna bagya ne munyam Owusu Bempah abecho so ono pa de ono de onye bi kura da se ohu ewu nkom hye se obi ba bewu no na kwa hye dem so wo ye fasting abɔ mpa ye tia se ni ewu ni ntwam o da bi na ko be da agidi ni da bi o onye se adwuma no onye bi kura da.
Are you doing all this to draw attention to yourself as the one with the key to solve people's problems
Papa,
so that people will come to you?
Papa, only baby. You can prophecy and as a prophetic ministry. Many of them can start in the first. So I'm not selling for munya prophet. So I just plan for trying to be fear for 5 years.
He told us. Okay.
Prophet Ben or Ghana had my one family. Into a fena, me baby perfume.
No way.
Baby, I may do no. To the glory of God, Nyame Shrame. Me here's came through. Why no bet me a catch them say? Me machine and come catching first camera. And now politicians no. Obi no no ama me kapre ba me kra menje. The musicians, presenters, celebrities, poor minims, all come na me busa say Ghana for ye boni ben na India nyame afi obe punishing sa na ma ya kwanche e kwan ben na ye mfa so that such calamities will not befall on us.
Mr. Beck woni bibi enya Ghana for ne aye boni no nyame na ebe punish ye nyame yo wonim ye ka prophecy a e ya de wo hono sunsum a ebesi ye Satan plan a opeso ye onyame timi reveal e kire ne prophet seka no man nya aware no mo mpaye se be ya insi enti nye onyame e na prepare o jase me hihye Ghana o e ya dibia e wo spiritual e ya dibia Satan plan
mpaye from the 31st and ra Kumasi Central Market.
Papa woni bibi boye na e very sad say me can say asem win there. I'm in pain because e do time bia wo ho asa ye prayer fastings by nipa hu de ye me can we e wa ha said ye me body tea me so me pese me nya body anke me nya pa me timi fasting 84 days
continuous
a year. Yes,
wow,
I'm telling you, me intercessors omu gumifie mpa ya ye bonya asem ketwa but prophecy abanya ye bon pa ise nyame nsia no kwa na binum di atem intermediate this year no me plan say this year no I'm telling you name pio no ma I'm not going to pray to stop it. Hey. So prophecy aba say o man pani ebewu boni be ni wo because as I catch Ezekiah so hin your will because wo ba bewu enya strange Nkofo timi di watem.
No, but Bishop, the reason why is this. Say Nkofo pekasa because Penyah is an important person. Penyah Bediachi is an important person. Na ujina bedroom na wo ka bibisa.
Papa, me jina bedroom no. Na minim se me kokasa o.
Oh, that's interesting.
Me jina ho ye nyame adwuma na Awurade kasa kyerem se ne besinti kana momon pai. Me kana ma so dem o. Man come radio station.
Under the unction of the
Spirit.
Spirit.
Me kana minim even 31st kana minim dia me kokeka. I'm telling you.
So when you get into the spiritual move,
yes, Papa me jina ho no ma ya so my dead bodies are sorry. Any frafo ani hu na de. Cripples e sorry nante. Ba me kwa minim de ekosi. Te say President Atamils nkomhye. Na minim me ya sorry Tuesday. 31st na my professor from Tuesday me ya so na Awurade kasa kyerem say the following week Tuesday president be.
And you said it.
Me kind.
A week before he
died.
Oh
yes. Enti na minim ntiana nkrofo kasa na ntina bisa no on konko ka kyerem panifo no no oka. In fact, I hold on. Well, I
was also worried about that. So why explaining? I think it makes a lot of sense. I have a lot of translation to do. I'll take some 2 minutes to do all of that. Right now, in terms of politics, we will be following up with you on what has been happening, whether you are praying for politicians and whether the key that Akufo-Addo has, whether it will work. But you talked about the vice president also in the prophecy, prophet.
Papa, Bibi, yeah. Answer na me born na dia na ha adwene se papa obi se eja bi anhyehe nsuo bi anto esu na nsuo ato na eja hye na kum nipa na still prophecy about still na men of God be san solidity as can the same thing na esisi yes plane bi crash na plane crash nipa bi enwu na nipa ewu Awurade fam so hye come say man of God be will die this year we all night and about out say bush obi ewu ada dentina se prophecy ba ya mo ho mpa mom na crofo criticize
enti asori na ewo jowulu na there will be a big division or split or break
at least you said that.
No, that he said. That
okay.
he said.
Okay.
That he said. And no okaso say asori kesi bi ewo enkraha na me pushi no say ehefa no say jowulu no say asori ne mu beche ti ye person on true light aka ebe na ba.
One thing they say
very quickly we have to
I'm say me say Bishop Ajan Sari say false prophets will die.
Yeah.
And I'm saying very good because false prophet you mu kra so bedwe because false prophets no kra me ehunu genuine ones na adwuma ye.
Yeah.
And I'm saying say and false bishops so be wu because your false prophets are
also you said false bishops will die.
Oh yeah, and what abeku ho and 21st or night. 31st in the man can be.
But is that also prophecy or just
Oh there be now I was just saying it.
And then prophecy. But the division in the church is it prophecy?
Oh no kra na me kan keke. Say oh no So
you were just teasing Bishop
me
Ajansare.
teasing because also for me break free me ho. Am affecting the pa.
Okay.
It's not me teasing. So
Final one before I do the translation. Prophet Owusu Bempah gave us, Prophet Ajima Prempeh gave us a criteria how we can see false prophets. He talked about skin toning, bleaching.
Ajima Prempeh me nim de nti o cancer. Me no. Ajima Prempeh ni metena no sha. Ajima Prempeh. And I mentioned what Ajima Prempeh ni me. When me say me yakoko free. Me football
crowd. No, he wasn't talking about you. No.
Oh yeah, I know. But me can't see bibi so. A football crowd na my tuntum. Na me yakoko crowd change.
Oh bobo.
Oh yeah.
Oh I see.
I mean no that lamte mo ni azekasara mo na bobo.
Oh I see. Okay.
Oh. Na the Ajima Prempeh kan no me ne nya adwen. Although say utonia and now ubrichia a bad, me I don't like it. But I believe say enya no ne di hunu obi a bad prophet. You will be one man a false prophet, but umblichi ontoni ne skin. Eno akoji eduro, eno de ya sorry, eno so e.
Okay. Yeah. Let me do the translation and then we come to for you to pray for the nation. We need that very importantly. Okay. And then we'll ask Bishop Bosompra, I hope I can do that. Ask Bishop Kobe and Mr. Beautiful to join us. We'll take a group here as the credits roll. If I can do that, let me know. Yeah, he'll pray. He'll do a prayer.
So where is someone Owusu Bempah abeka? Ubet na chere wa dwene ama me. E wo comment section. Aha Penyah Block Media. Agra.